paper 6, this you can use for any of the paper also. So FM and SM is there. Now the question is, which paper should we attempt first? My suggestion and my approach and my strategy is always first clear, start with FM and then with SM. Why? Okay, first I'm giving you a logical reason, understand this. If you start with strategic management, see, strategic management does have a content which need to be written. As an example, you have a question 5 of SM, which we need to write with in our own words. We need to draft the answer our own sense. So what will happen? Okay, we may consume more time in strategic management to write a very good answer, because it is at 2 o'clock. Okay, when we are starting the answer, I'll be very motivated to write a very clear and unambiguous answer. I'll not put any ambiguity or something like that. So technically, SM may take more time to complete the paper because it's a theory. We may write the answer lengthy also, sometimes which is not required also. So practically, okay, FM, okay, should be start first, because if at all in FM practical question you hanged up, okay, it will be a blunder. You will not be able to complete. Second, FM, if you complete one question, okay, if it is of 5 marks, you are 100% guarantee that you can get a 5 marks complete set. In SM, I'm not saying you cannot get 5 out of 5, but probability of getting 5 out of 5 is less. In FM, probability of getting 5 out of 5 is more, but probability of 5 out of 5 in SM is less. So your approach should be taking care of the question which can give you or fetch you more marks, so that exemption can be scored. Today also I spoke with one of the student of mine. He told he cleared, he started with FM only and he targeted, and later on he completed SM. He didn't complete it, aisa nahi hai. He completed SM, but FM was his forte. Matlab he scored good marks in that also. My student of SM, but this is how it is done. And in this, okay, one more approach, whether we should solve MCQ first or okay, a theory first. The suggestion is very directly clear. I can give you MCQ. I can tell you theory MCQ. Clearly MCQ. Sir, why MCQ should be attempted first? Because, okay, MCQ will help you to draft the theory. So if you are attempting FM or SM, first check MCQ. In FM, you will be getting almost 8 MCQ. In SM, you will be getting 8 MCQ, 7 plus 1, 7 MCQ of 2 marks and 1 MCQ of 1 mark. Okay, all 8 MCQ. By reading all 8 MCQ of SM, you will be reading 4. This is more relevant for theory. For 4 options. Now what happened when you read the 4 options for 8 MCQ? Okay, 32 options you have read, 32 theory line you have read, and it is definitely very fruitful, because after reading this option and after completing MCQ, when you start theory, it may happen some theory content may be linked with that MCQ, and you can directly you can take the data from MCQ rather than trying to recall the words. And this is the best example which I can show you. Okay, right now from the recent examination paper which has took place in September, where okay, it was basically I'll just show you a question paper. Okay, so basically it would be where recent paper auditing was there. MCQ. MCQ booklet will be different probably, but I can tell you one of the question was auditing part. Okay, one auditing question was there. MCQ booklet I need to see. Okay, one auditing question was there where the MCQ was on DSR, Direction Supervision Review. The factors for Direction Supervision Review, which is of particular chapter. Okay, DSR, Direction Supervision Review. What are the factors to be considered while performing DSR? And this was theory also for 4 marks. Imagine 2 marks MCQ was there and 4 marks theory was there, which was having the exact answer of MCQ. 4.4 options were there. 3 options was what you need to write here, and one more option which you need to write. So what happened? Okay, after reading MCQ theory, it will help you to draft the theory if similar question comes in paper. See, September 24 this attempt was there. September 24 this has happened. So I hope this point is very clear. Okay, first of all attempt practical, then focus on theory. In practical and theory also, okay, while attempting theory, first always attempt MCQ. MCQ. I'm not telling always solve MCQ. It may happen some of the MCQ you may not be knowing, so you may wait, but you can solve the MCQ, and by you can wait and you can solve at later stage. But by reading 4 options, you have created a roadmap for your theory questions also, I bet. And this I gave only one example. In audit, there is 15 MCQ. For 15 MCQ, it will be almost having 60 options. I hope you are getting the point. How much data you can gather initially rather than you are trying to retain. So I hope this point is okay for you. This point or any other element, do let me know. I hope this has been solved to you, buddy.